Does your gradebook look a little messy? Are your grade items not in an easy-to-understand order? If so, you may want to consider reordering your grade items to be more visually appealing to yourself, TAs, and students. To do this, follow these steps. In the Manage Grades area of the gradebook, select More Actions, and then choose Reorder. Then choose the numerical order in which your grade items and categories will appear. Grade items under a specific category can also be placed in a specific order as well. Once you have finished, select Save. Now I can see that my grade items are more visually appealing. Thank you for watching. Please remember to check out our playlist on other common gradebook issues and how to resolve them.